Hey guys, my name's Quentin. I'm so sorry that I have not done a garage door opener video in a while. We're back in my mom's aunt's garage looking today at the linear garage door opener. Here is the wall button over there. Now let's close it. Now let's open the garage back up, and here we go. Close it again with the remote, since I have it in my hand. And here we go. Let's try again. There we go. Okay. Now let's open up the garage door one more time. Here we go. Now I'm gonna close it outside since I have the remote with me. And then we will be done, and you'll see the outside of the garage. And here we go. Okay, I think that's enough for now. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.